So once we've downloaded data from a station, we can start using Airodis's features and some of the useful validation tools that are so important to us. If we take this piece of data, for example, this is from a station, this is SO2 data, sulfur dioxide, and this is just a typical trace, but in this data we can see there's some unusual spikes that occur every day. If we zoom in, we can see that they're a little gap followed by a spike, and I can identify these as being overnight span calibrations, where the calibration itself is removed by the logger. You can see these values here, but then a little value after the calibration is being left in due to a timing issue, perhaps with the logger or the instrument. So if we were going to be reporting this data, we wouldn't want to include those values. So this software very easily allows us to select those points, and from a reason, we have a pre-populated reason list, but you can create your own. If you select a suitable reason for invalidating the data, and I know there is one here for this, automatic calibration check, we simply drag that onto our selection, and you can see now the colors changed a little bit. Commit those changes back to the database, and now you can see that those spikes have gone. So this enables you to edit data and to clean up your data very efficiently. So having made that invalidation to the database, we can also show that this change has been made by a user. So everything we do in Airodis during this validation process is logged by the system. And if I just view the change made, I can see there's a log with my username, the change that was made and when it was made. So any validation that you do with your data is all traceable and auditable, more importantly. As well as these simple invalidations, we can also make adjustments to the data, maybe an offset or a multiplier that you need to apply to make the readings that you've downloaded reflect the true concentrations. And this can be necessary with calibration problems and that kind of thing, but it's all doable in exactly the same way as the invalidation.